everyone. I'm Dr. Nirzara Wagh. I'm a homeopathy doctor and a psychological counselor practicing in Pune. Charles Spurgeon once said, "Anxiety doesn't empty tomorrow of its worries. It empties today of its strengths." And that is exactly what I'm going to tell you in this video. How to conserve your strength by managing your anxiety. So here are a few helpful tips that might help you to deal with the anxiety better. Number 1. Having an anxiety diary. एक डायरी बना लीजिए जिसमें जब भी आपको तकलीफ हो आप उसमें लिख सकते हैं. Whenever we write down something, the mind gets involved into the process of writing, so it feels the anxiety lesser. The other thing that can happen with writing is that it can show us any progress that we had made, and also it can tell us about any kind of pattern that has come into our anxiety. Number 2. Changing the physical environment. जिस भी जगह पे तकलीफ हो रही है वहाँ से बाहर निकलिए. If you are feeling anxious in your room, get out of the room. Maybe talk to your family or friends or your roommates, or go and stand in the balcony. Changing the physical environment is going to uplift your mood. Number 3 is having an anxiety strategy. So प्लान अ फ्यू एक्टिविटीज या कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटीज डिसाइड कर लीजिए जिससे आपको बेटर फील होता है. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग फ्रॉम कुकिंग और क्लीनिंग और गार्डनिंग. डूइंग एनी ऑफ दीज एक्टिविटीज इज गोइंग टू एंगेज योर माइंड इन समथिंग बेटर एंड द एंजाइटी विल ग्रेजुअली कम डाउन. Number 4 is to avoid certain substances. Alcohol, smoking, cigarettes or drugs, or sugar content foods or coffee. All of these food items or drinks trigger anxiety a lot. So इन सारी चीज़ों से दूर रहना चाहिए. Number 5 is to plan your day well. If we don't have a plan for our day, then our mind is empty or it's free to let it wander anywhere. And once it runs here and there, it will increase the anxious thoughts. अगर हमारे दिन का प्लान ढंग से बना हुआ हो तो एंजाइटी थॉट्स कम आने के चांसेस हैं. इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू कीप योर माइंड ऑन अ प्रॉपर लाइन एंड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दीज एंशियस थॉट्स. नंबर 6 इज एक्सरसाइज. जब भी हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो एंडोर्फिन्स सिक्रीट होते हैं और उन्हें हम हैप्पी हार्मोन्स भी कहते हैं. सो दीज हैप्पी हार्मोन्स आर द वंस व्हिच ब्रिंग अबाउट अ पॉजिटिव फीलिंग इन आवर बॉडी. Any kind of exercise like running or cycling, swimming or skipping, any of these activities are going to release these happy hormones and you will start feeling better gradually. Number 7 is me time. These days everybody is so busy in their work that they end up neglecting themselves, not just physically but mentally also. So giving ourselves at least some time of the day is very very important. अगर हम दिन का आधा घंटा भी खुद को दे सके और उस आधे घंटे में ऐसी कोई चीज़ें करें जिनसे हमें अच्छा लगता है, so gradually it is going to bring some calmness within ourselves. Number 8 is having a good morning routine. What you do in the morning is going to set the tone for your day. Now make sure that you get up at a fixed time every day and manage your mornings in such a way that you won't be hurried to go out of the house or you won't be in a lot of rush to step out for work. Your morning should include nice activities like maybe having breakfast with your family or sitting in the balcony and having a cup of tea or reading the newspaper or doing something that you like. If the morning is good, then the entire day will be much more better for you. Number 9 is relaxing techniques. Yoga, meditation, reading books or listening to music or any kind of breathing exercises or deep breathing. All of these activities help us to calm down and relax us from within, and that itself is going to have a very good impact on your anxiety. And lastly, number 10 is phone a friend. Having some person around you or having a friend or a colleague or a neighbor, anybody who knows that you have anxiety and who is ready to listen to you and who understands you well is a very very big advantage. So try to have such kind of people around you whom you can just contact whenever you're feeling anxious. Talking to an understanding person really helps a lot. So guys, this were just a few practical tips manage your anxiety better by conserving your energy today and not wasting it on worries about tomorrow. Do continue to like, share and comment on my videos, and do subscribe